Thinking about trying Liquid Web for hosting? Before you sign up, there are some things you need to know. Some people swear by it, while others say it's not worth the price. In this Liquid Web review, we're digging deep into its feature, performance, and whether it's actually the right choice for you. But before we get started, if at any point you do decide to check out Liquid Web, click the link in the video description below to sign up at the best price available. So what's the deal with Liquid Web? Unlike a lot of budget hosting providers, Liquid Web hosting focuses on high performance, fully managed solution. Instead of the typical cheap shared hosting, they offer Liquid Web VPS hosting, dedicated servers, managed WordPress hosting, and cloud host. These are built for businesses, developers, and anyone who are looking for reliable speed and solid support. If you're running an e-commerce store, a business website, or anything that gets serious traffic, this kind of hosting can make a huge difference. One of the biggest reasons to look into Liquid Web hosting is that it's fully managed. That means you don't have to deal with server maintenance updates or security. Liquid Web handles all of that. They also guarantee 99.999 uptime, which basically means your site will almost never go down. Their servers are optimized for speed. So whether you're using Liquid Web VPS hosting or a dedicated server, your site will load fast. Now, let's talk about Liquid Web features. First, their security is actually top-notch. Every hosting plan includes automatic daily backups, DDoS protection, and advanced firewalls to keep your site safe. On top of that, they have real-time monitoring to catch any potential issues before they become a real problem. Scalability is another advantage of Liquid Web hosting. With their cloud solutions, you could scale up or down as your traffic changes. That means if you suddenly get a spike in visitors, Liquid Web will ensure your site won't start to crash. When it comes to hosting plans, there are several options with different Liquid Web features depending on your needs. Their VPS hosting is a great choice for those who need more power than shared hosting but don't want to commit a full dedicated server. If you're running a larger business or high traffic sites, their dedicated server offer a top-tier performance with full customization. For WordPress users, Liquid Web manages WordPress hosting, takes care of all the back-end maintenance, security, and updates, so you can focus on your content. If you need flexibility and scalability, their cloud hosting solutions let you adjust your resources as needed. Another good thing about Liquid Web hosting is the level of customization they offer, especially with Liquid Web dedicated servers. Unlike shared hosting, a dedicated server gives you the full control over your resource, and Liquid Web lets you configure your server with the CPU, RAM, and storage that best fits your needs. Their high-performance SSD storage ensures fast load times, and with no resource sharing, you get a consistently smooth experience. They also provide a variety of operating systems, including CentOS, Ubuntu, Windows, and Linux, giving you flexibility depending on your project. To make server management easier, Liquid Web hosting includes cPanel and Ples, allowing you to manage websites, domains, and email accounts from user-friendly dashboards. And you should run into any issues, the Liquid Web support team is available 24/7, 365 by phone, chat, or email. And many of their customers actually say that their response time are pretty fast. The main downside of Liquid Web hosting for me is that it's more expensive than your typical shared hosting. But there's an actual reason for this, since it's not really meant for small business blogs or hobby sites. It's built for businesses that need serious hosting power. If you're just starting out and looking for the cheapest option, Liquid Web probably isn't the right fit. But if you want a premium hosting with great performance and support, it's definitely worth looking into. So if you decide to sign up for Liquid Web hosting, be sure to check out the link in the description to get the best price for the plan you choose. Thanks for watching my Liquid Web review, and have a good day.